I'm Kayla with Dirt Road Dancing, and today we are learning Fool for You. It is an improver line dance with 32 counts, 4 walls, and 1 2-count tag. Now, if you haven't yet, please subscribe right down below. Otherwise, let's get started. Let's get started with that first set of 8 counts. We're going to start with a V step, so we're going to bring our right foot diagonally right, that left foot diagonally left, and then we're coming back where we came from. So bring that right foot back center and that left foot centered. From here, we're going to do a lock step. Bring that right foot forward, left foot comes and tucks underneath, and then right foot steps forward again. From here, we're going to just scuff with that left foot. Now let's put some counts behind that. We're going to do our V step first. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, lock, 5, 6, 7, scuff, 8. Now let's do that second set of 8 counts. Remember, we just scuffed with that left foot. So that left foot's up in the air. We're going to just put our weight forward on that left foot, recover on the right. Then we're going to step back with the left foot, hitch up with that right knee, step it down, hitch up with the left knee, step it down, and then just step together with that right foot. Now, let's put some counts behind that. We just scuffed with that left leg. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, hitch 4, 5, hitch 6, 7, together 8. All right, now let's combine the first 16 counts together. We are starting with that V step. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, scuff, 8. 1, 2, back 3, hitch 4, 5, hitch 6, 7, together 8. All right, now let's try that third set of 8 counts. Remember, we just stepped back with that right foot. Now we are going to walk forward, starting with our left foot. So it'll go left, right, left, and then flick up with that right leg. Think like a Barbie kick. From here, we are going to step that right foot across, left foot out, right foot behind, and left foot out. Now let's put some counts behind that. We just brought that right leg together, walking forward. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, flick 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's put the first 24 counts together. Remember, we're starting with that V step. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, lock, 5, 6, 7, scuff, 8. 1, 2, back 3, hitch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk 1, 2, 3, flick 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do that fourth and final set of 8 counts. Remember, we finished off with our weight on the left foot, and now we are going to do 3 different types of rock steps. We are bringing that right foot across and recovering back on the left for a cross rock. Bring that right foot out to the side and recover on the left for a side rock. And now we're turning over our right shoulder, bringing that right foot directly back for a back rock, recover on the left foot. We're finishing off with a full turn. So step forward with that right foot, turn and finish with your weight on the left foot. Now let's put some counts behind that. Remember, we just stepped out with that left foot and we're doing those 3 rock steps. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Now let's combine all 32 counts together. Starting with that V step, In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Back 3. Hitch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3. Flip 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. Now this dance does have a tag. It is only 2 counts and it is at the end of the 10th wall. You will be facing your 6 o'clock wall for the 3rd time in the dance. And how it will go is you finish off your back, rock, and full turn. Weight is on the left foot and you're just walking right, left, and then going directly back to the start of the dance with your V step, going out right, left, and back together. Congratulations, you guys. You just learned the line dance full for you. I hope you had fun. If you're ready, click the video right here and we'll go dance it out together.